coming up. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode. After 1 year of searching, I finally found myself a perfect E31 in a semi-working condition. And now I guess your biggest concern is if it be electric. And I can tell it won't be. I will restore it and keep it original how it is deserves. It will be imported as a historical value car, and I like to have it original. This channel will get fresh new turn in opposite direction as it started. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Malo desno, sim, levo, ide, gre, ravno, ide, sim, malo levo, ajde, još, gre, ajde, još, malo ga pusti, brikverc, malo, oči ga, jesi, oči ga. A treba zavugati vrikše unutra. I onda tu ti ve ima, kako velim, dao sam, ne vidim, imam ovo, sam ga druga, pa sam djela. Ajmo ga. Da bom jo del ove.
The car is finally here, and I was searching for this car about a year, and then a friend of mine took it and he asked me if I want to buy this car, and I said yes. I didn't overthink it because it will be sold soon. And big thanks to Mrki that reminded me that I wanted to buy this car, and so he asked me first. I made a deposit on the day when this video came out, so I had a nice fairy tale for good night's sleep. And by Jason was pronounced as a failure until the CSI came out, and here it is now, 850. It is a brilliant red car, and this color fits the perfect on this car. And this is a 12-cylinder naturally aspirated V12 M70 engine. It has an automatic gearbox. I wanted to have a manual, but nothing is perfect. But it has a CSI front bumper, which is broken. And this was actually my dream car when I was young. In the early 1990s, when I was 6-7 years old, I was watching him on the cover of a magazine, and I asked my dad to buy it. And I'm very happy that I own one and that I could put my hand on it. It's not perfect. It has a lot of work to do. The paint is destroyed because it was resprayed a long time ago, and this is done terrible. It has a couple of dents on the back side. It has one broken rear light. The latch of a fuel tank door is broken. Front bumper is broken by a towing company. Car came from Prague, so I will call it Project Prague. At the day when I brought it home, I was publishing on the social media, and this car really took a lot of attention. I knew it's gonna be attention, but not so much. I've got a lot of messages about this car. What kind of engine is it? Is it 850? Did I win a lottery? No, I'm not playing. I'm just not married. It is in working condition, but it has a lot of work to do by my perspective by my standards. But my standards, it has a lot of work to do. And thank you also, Mrki, for car transport. So if you need towing transport, and here is his number also down below into the descriptions. You can contact him, and he is really reliable, and he's taking care about the details so that car came safe with no cracking, like those bastards cracked the front CSI bumper, so now I have to fix it or buy a new one. And I'm gonna show you around. Let's take a closer walk around the car. And here is missing the cover, and the front bumper is broken, like I said, and there is missing a license plate carrier. They also took that. This is a small dent here, and this is the broken rear light, and this carrier is missing, and unfortunately. And the good thing is that it fits from E39 or E38, and this is also the small dent. And this is the rear bumper. This needs to be fixed as well. And this glass should go down when I grab the handle. It was working, but the battery was drained. I replaced the battery, and now it doesn't want to go. As you can see now, interior is in a decent condition, and everything here is not actually bad, not worn, not destroyed. And the rear seats as well are in decent condition. And all the rear panels. Headliner is bad, it needs to be replaced. And let's see now how it is going. Nice. Also this one. And this side is also in a decent condition. This is broken, this is what I need to replace. This is working. This is just, as you can see, only one side is going. This is the common issues on them. It is an easy fix. This is working as well. And also on the other side. So let's see now from this side. And this is also a common issue. And this is good news. And the bad news is that 3 days ago, my cat was hit by the car when he tried to cross the street. And that was at evening and 10:30 p.m. He tried to cross the street, and the car hit him. And it was really terrible because the car came like crazy, maybe 100 kilometers per hour, even though there is a speed limit of 40 kilometers per hour, but nobody respects that. He managed to cross the street for 10 years, but now it just happened. And when I came, he was in terrible condition. He was lying on the street. He was lying on the street with the digest out, and it was really shocking and terrible. So I put it in the yards, and then I had to dig the ditch and buried him. I don't know how I'm gonna handle this loss, but this is not just a cat. It was a member of a family. It was a smart, funny. He loved to cuddling all the time. He loved to sleep on my tools. He loved to sleep on my keyboard, on my laptop. He was with us 10 years, and he was waiting for me every day when I came out of the work. This is a problem because I'm living at the main street, and only if you have a cat, it lasts maybe 1 or 2 years. And this cat lasts for 10 years, and he knew how to cross the street, but it just happened. I knew that this was going to happen in the future, and it was not a matter of if, but when. And one more thing, I'm selling this aluminum ring. And with this one, you are able to mount the facelift M steering wheel to older E39 cars, to pre-facelift cars. And this is the way how you can add some value into your cars, because these cars are going up in value. Not mention only the M5 or 540, but even the basic spec if they are in the decent conditions, so you can add an extra value in it. So anyway, if you don't have the E39, you can still buy it as a souvenir, because this is the piece of art. So this is how you can support the channel. You have the price and email down below into the description, so you can order it. Or if you think you don't have enough experience to do it, you can send the steering wheel to me and I can do it for you. And this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. If you're not already subscribed, consider to subscribe, and see you all in the next one.